Hi guys, I am Shane Gering and this is my partner Iya Curativo. So for today's video, we're going to show you how to make a brochure. First is you have to click the Microsoft Word application to start. We already have our chosen template to design our own brochure. You can just choose whatever template you want. So here we are just removing the elements from the template so we can change it to our design content. The first thing we did is to enter the text, mission, and vision and also the core values and the contact information of the university and change its color by selecting the font color. And for the front page, we put the name of the school, which is Biliran Province State University. So we are just clicking the space bar on keyboard to provide space for the logo. Then we click the insert picture to add the university logo next to the name of the university. So next is we're adding circles with different color for our design. We also inserted an image of an aerial shot of the university by doing the same with the logo and just adjusting it to fit inside the circle. As you can see here, we added more circle design with different colors. Next is we added a picture of the university which is inserted on the front page of the brochure and just adjusting it to its better placement. And we're going back to the first part to enter the text of mission, vision, and core values and also the contact information of the university. So here we use the black font to complement the color of the font of the text above it. Next that we did is to copy and paste the information about the university. So the next part, which is the back side of the brochure, is about the Department of School of Arts and Sciences. We use the color green as it signifies color of the department. Then we inserted the logo of the SAS and placed it next to the text of School of Arts and Sciences. So here we are typing the information about the School of Arts and Sciences. We also changed the font to Arial and make it bold. We also changed the font of the other text so it is uniform. That's all. So here's the finished output. Hello everyone! We are here to show you a tutorial on how to create a monthly budgeting on Excel.
It works from you from calculating your income to your expenses so that you will be aware on your monthly budget.
First, you need to go to the Microsoft Excel, then click blank work or document. So second thing to do is merge the cells. Then on column D, click the cell next to merge cell and encode all the income. On to the next column, encode the value of your income. We just put the border and adjust for the text to fit inside the cell. And above the table, we put the name of the monthly budget. On the second table, enter the data of your housing. Then enter the value of projected cost and actual cost, and get the total for each cost. To get the total projected cost and actual cost, just enter equal sum, then on which cell the value is entered. To get the difference, go to the formula bar, then put the equal sign, then projected cost, open and close parenthesis, minus actual cost, open and close parenthesis, then enter so that you will get the difference. Highlight the value under difference, then go to the conditional formatting and click icon sets, then select colored arrows. Next is to put dollar sign by highlighting all the amount, then accounting number format, then select United States. After that, highlight all the total, then fill it with different colors so that you can differentiate it with other values. Doing another table, you just have to highlight the table, then click Ctrl-C to copy and Ctrl-V to paste it on the other side on the Excel sheet.